Azure AI Foundry is not just another chatbot screen. It is where Microsoft wants serious AI apps to be built, evaluated, and operated. In this video, we map the practical workflow. Create a project, pick a model, add instructions and tools, evaluate output, and deploy only when the system behaves well enough. Think of Foundry as a control room. The project organizes your work. The model catalog helps you choose and compare models. Agent service connects models with instructions and tools. Evaluation checks quality, safety, latency, and cost. Deployment turns a prototype into something an application can call. Start with a project. This sounds simple, but it matters. Random prompts are hard to operate. A project gives you a place for model deployments, agent definitions, tool configuration, data connections, and evaluation runs. If the AI app matters, organize it like software. The model catalog is not a trophy shelf. Choose the model for the task. Some use cases need fast, low-cost answers. Some need stronger reasoning. Some need multimodal input. Some need a specific region, provider, or deployment type. Review model cards and supported regions before promising a production architecture. A Foundry agent is not magic. It has a model, instructions, and tools. The tools are what make it useful. File search, Azure AI search, code interpreter, function calling, web search, and other built-in or custom actions. Without tools or grounded data, many enterprise agents are just polished chat windows. Tools need governance. File search should only use approved files. Azure AI search should respect data boundaries. Function calling should be explicit about what your application executes. Code interpreter is powerful, but it still needs sandboxing and review. The tool catalog is useful because it gives you standard building blocks, but ownership remains yours. Before deployment, evaluate. Does the agent follow instructions? Does it call the right tool? Is the answer grounded? Is the latency acceptable? Is the cost reasonable? Foundry supports evaluation workflows and agent evaluators, but you still need a useful test set that reflects real user questions and failure cases. When it works, deploy it into an application workflow. But deployment is the start of operations, not the end. Track usage. Watch failed tool calls. Monitor cost. Version prompts and instructions. Keep a rollback path. AI systems change behavior more easily than normal services, so operations matter. To recap, Azure AI Foundry is useful when you treat it as an operating layer. Create the project, choose the model, build the agent, connect tools, evaluate behavior, and deploy with monitoring. The goal is not to demo AI. The goal is to operate it.